Did you know you've probably been using your favorite items all wrong? From toothpaste to headphones? These little mistakes could be wasting your time, money, or even damaging the product. Stick around because number 9 will blow your mind. Fact 1. Toothpaste Strip. You don't need a long strip of toothpaste. A pea-sized amount is enough. The full strip in ads? It's just marketing. Fact 2. Bobby pins. The wavy side of a bobby pin goes down, not up. That groove is designed to grip your hair better. Fact 3. Can openers. Most people use can openers sideways, but they're actually designed to cut from the top, lifting the entire lid cleanly and safely. Fact 4. Aluminum foil box. Ever pulled the whole roll out by mistake? There are hidden tabs on the sides of foil boxes. Push them in. They lock the roll in place. Fact 5. Tape dispensers. Struggle to find the tape's edge? Tape dispensers have a built-in sharp edge. Use it to neatly cut the tape. No more sticky mess. Fact 6. Headphones. Do your earbuds keep falling out? Check for the L and R markings. They're shaped to fit specific ears. Wearing them correctly gives better sound and comfort. Fact 7. Ticonderoga pencils. Ever wonder why there's a flat side on your pencil's eraser? It's designed to erase with more control and avoid tearing the paper. Fact 8. Tic Tac dispenser. Shake the whole box for one Tic Tac. There's a built-in dispenser on the lid. It gives you exactly 1 mint every time. Fact 9. Pot handle hole. The hole in your cooking pot's handle isn't just for hanging. It's a built-in holder for your cooking spoon. Smart, right? Fact 10. Stapler base. Flip the metal plate on your stapler and it spreads the pins outward. This is for temporary stapling, perfect for documents you need to remove later. So how many of these were you doing wrong? Tell us in the comments. And don't worry, you're not alone. Like, share with a friend. Subscribe for more amazing facts you never knew you needed.